Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you what is the best barcode software that you can get right now on the market. Not only that, I'm going to show you the process of it and all the benefits that you can get. So let's start, let's be effective, and I hope you will enjoy this. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to click on the link, you will get right here to InFlow Inventory. InFlow Inventory is a inventory software that can help you manage all the things about your inventory. So the first thing that you want to do is to click here free trial. There are three things that I really like about InFlow. Before we start, I'm going to show you all about the barcode software. The first thing is that you can get free trial and test it out by yourself, the whole process from the purchasing something from a vendor to selling it to customer. You don't have to add a cart, anything. The second thing is that their customer support is really great, and if you would check the pricing plan right here, you see that even when you would choose it, you can have for the standard light or plus version 4 hours, 6 hours or 2 hours setup assistance. So they are going to even help you with setuping everything, and that's really great that you can achieve. And this is why I recommend them, only because the primary reason is their customer support that is really helpful. Now, when you click here on software, you can click here on barcoding. Upgrade your inventory system with barcode software. And now save time with every scan. Then you can have like everything here work faster. Scan to receive. Scan to pick products off the shelf and take them out of inventory. Scan to check stock, performing quick on spot stock checks. Scan to adjust stock. Scan to transfer, or scan to look up orders. Now, I want to show you that, as you can see, you can print barcodes at any time. The label writer. And then you're going to have also the hardware right here with it that you can use. And that's really good and it's really effective for you to use it. And I would definitely recommend, if you can have any questions about barcode software, you can easily just write to customer support of InFlow Inventory. You can check the free trial and see it by yourself, but also I want to show you how it looks like for the product. So let's say I'm right here. I'm in my account of InFlow Inventory, and I'm going to show you how it works. Of course, you can integrate it with Amazon, Shopify, Squarespace, WooCommerce, QuickBooks, as you can see. Now, when I come here to software, you're gonna have also inventory control, sales and invoicing with that, B2B portal. Everything is covered. So if you can have even any questions on me, ask it down below in comments. I'll be happy to help you. So I'm going to log in right here. And so as you can see, I can see purchase orders here, my products, my sales orders. If I have, let's say, sale orders, list and product list, I'm going to show you straight away. So product list, I can simply, I have a product, I can print the barcode right here. I don't have to create it with Excel. I don't have to do like complicated things. InFlow is going to cover everything for you. So in that regard, it's really effective and good. See, sun product paper, and voila, here you got it. Now, of course, I can even print the receipt, the sales order, the invoice. So let's say sales order. And now right here, I can email receipt. I got it right here. So everything is covered, and you see the sales order and everything. So InFlow Inventory can really automate everything for you that you need. And in that regard, it's really effective what you can achieve with it. This was pretty much it. I don't know what else to show you. I hope this video helped you kind of. Like, what is the actually best barcode software? Because in my opinion, it's really important to automate things in your business to be effective as much as you can. So you don't have to do everything like with Google Sheets that you would create barcode there, then you're gonna print it, then you're gonna need to like paste it on your product, and it's going to take a lot of time rather than that you would have everything covered with InFlow. So it's all about the time management and how effective can you be, because the 2 hours that you would be investing into creating your own barcodes to like doing everything manually, what if there is a program that can help you with that? And those 2 hours is going to be like right now 20 minutes of work. And then what can happen is that you can focus on actually building a business or focusing on different projects if you're an employee. So this is something that I would definitely recommend to do, because like the purpose of it is not to work in your company, but on your company. I had right now a guy sending me a message on Gmail is that, hey Marcus, that I have 3 people. Yes, I am like employer and I have 2 people under me. And we have a problem with managing everything. We don't have the setup process with project management, nothing. We are lost. And like if I could help them with developing the whole process and everything, because they had plenty of orders, then they had plenty of communications, they needed CRM system, project management system, and everything combined. And in that regard, it was really important for them to build it up, only because they were lost, they were working all the time. So this is something that you don't want to happen. And this is something which is really important not to happen. So yeah, again, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. And yeah, you can click on the link, register, and it was the best barcode system that you can have, barcode software. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.